Let's talk about the purpose of design. So any design, whether it's related to branding, whether it's related to mobile app design, digital devices, or even a TV ad, or anything you see in the billboards or any advertisement, there is a single most prominent goal, a single goal in that design. So before starting out any design, you need to find that goal and you need to design for that goal. For example, if I am designing a landing page, then my client may wants the users to sign up for the free PDF to download. Maybe that is their main purpose, to get more subscribers. Similarly, another landing page, maybe their main focus is to play that video which is about their product. So maybe they want the users to play and watch and educate them about their product. So similarly, if a business card, if you see a business card, there might be information to get more projects rather than introduce yourself. So these are different goals and they are going to guide your design. So whenever you start designing for websites or any project, you need to ask your clients just one main question. What is the purpose of this design? What is the main goal? What do you want to accomplish with this design? What are you aiming for? So once they have answered these questions, you need to write them down, and also you need to investigate a little bit the same goal from the user's perspective. So you have written the business goal or the client's goal, that they want this to achieve this from this website, this app, this product page. Now you want to write down and research a little bit about the user. So what are the user needs? What actually the user wants? Maybe they want to get some information about the product. Maybe it's whether it's organic or inorganic or stuff like that. So you need to write that down too. So there will be two goals. One is from the user's perspective and one is from the business perspective. And you need to keep them in focus when you are designing anything. So this is actually the purpose of any design, and you need to follow these two basic steps. Get the primary goal, objective of your design from user's perspective and from business perspective, and try to combine them and create a great design that is going to solve both the goals. So I hope you have understood this concept. If you have any questions, do ask me. Let's move on to the next lesson.